Hey guys, I'm Codemeister and it's time to code. And welcome to HTML tutorial number 3, where we'll be adding color into our webpage with CSS. But wait, if you're new to HTML and you don't know anything about it, I strongly suggest that you go to HTML tutorial number 1, where we'll be understanding the webpage. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we have our web page. A standard web page. We have 3 different types of headings, and we have 2 different types of lists, and we have our image down there. So now what I want to do is make everything colorful. I don't really like black and white that much. I like my web pages to have color. And to do this, we'll use a language called CSS. CSS is a language that you use in HTML to make everything have color and look neat and nice. CSS is used in every single website, and it's really good to know if you want to learn how to make a web page. Now, there's a simple way to add CSS into our web page. Inside the head tag, under the title, we type style. So everything inside the style tag will be CSS. And right now, I want to give the web page a background of the color, maybe yellow. Yeah, yellow. Now, to do this, we'll have to get the body tag, because the body tag is where we have all of our code that we put on the screen. So the body is everything we see on the screen. So to do this, we'll type body and have some brackets, curly brackets. And we'll type background and a colon, and we'll make it yellow. Now if we run, the background will be yellow. That is great, because we targeted the background, we targeted the body, and we made it a background of yellow. Now, I don't really like yellow that much either. It's kind of bright. And I want to make it gold. Let's see if we can type gold. Great. Now we have gold, but I don't really like this type of gold either. There's another way to add a color. Just go to google.com. Let's try to find a really nice color of gold shade. So we'll just go gold, hashtag. Now, we'll find a hashtag right here, hashtag FFD700. Now we'll just copy that and we'll paste it right here. It's the exact same thing, yes. So, what this does is there's multiple ways of getting colors. You can either type on the color name, or if you're looking for a special color, you can go on Google, search up the code, and you can place it on here, and it'll have the color. Now, I want to make the words a different color. Now, to do that, we can do this. Color, and we'll make it red. Great, now all of the words are red, but I don't want everything to be red. So I want the first heading to be blue, the second heading to be green, the third heading to be yellow, and the lists and the paragraph to be green again. To do this, first we'll have to target heading 1, and since we type H1, up here we'll type H1. And we're going to say the thing. Color, we'll make it blue. We run that, top one will be blue. Let's go to H2. Color will be green. green. I want to make the third one red. And that's H3. And for the P and the list, we want to make it green again. Great. That'll be it for this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.